थे मनोज सारंगपानी. कमिंग टू क्लासिक फिजिक. सॉरी, नो, मेंस फिजिक. भैया की फेवरेट डिवीजन. लेट्स फर्स्ट टॉक अबाउट somebody who did not win and had crazy hype. गाइस नेम इज सिद्धांत जायसवाल. भैया ने इनके साथ पता नहीं कितने बार compete किया होगा. एंड you know, obviously he is a guy who has been in the Indian bodybuilding scene since like at least 7-8 years.
Since a while.
Since a
Yes.
while, yeah, he's been in it for a long time. He has his own athletes, he has his own team. तो सिद्धांत भाई का ये था कि आई मेट हिम. मैंने जाते जाते उनको बोला कि एक बार पॉडकास्ट पे भी आ जाइए. सो वी माइट गेट हिम ऑन द पॉडकास्ट ऑल्सो सून. सिद्धांत भाई, crazy hype, crazy hype. He has done so much for the bodybuilding community. And
Yes, no doubt, no doubt.
and everybody
Yes, he has
basically,
definitely.
yeah. I have, मैं जब वहाँ पे था स्टेज पे, people were crazy cheering for him on stage, you know. Even when he was not in the center, people were, shouting his name and numbers. So he had a lot of hype. ये उन्होंने पोस्ट किया था बिफोर वन नाइट बिफोर स्टेज. एंड ही इज़ वर्किंग विद मैट जैनसन, हु इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल कोच, जो निक वॉकर को ट्रेन करते हैं, कोच करते हैं. One thing I feel about his physique in general is his core is a very different core. You don't see this kind of core, you know, commonly anywhere. So he has a very यहाँ पे बेहतर लगेगा. His abs are like crazy symmetrical, but they are, you know, small and like perfect, like biscuits, like in size. So his core is very different that way. कुछ लोग इनको core king बुलाते हैं. So he definitely might have looked like that. मैंने इनको पहले भी देखा है शेरू क्लासिक में, and he was very downsized as compared to what he was this time. Very downsized. इनकी बैक, इनकी वीक पॉइंट होती थी, विच ही हैज़ इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. एंड ये टाइम भैया, इन्होंने इसके बारे में खुद बात किया है. आई फेल्ट देर वॉज एन इशू विथ हिज गट when he was posing. There was an issue with his like, you can see his shoulders, his arms, everything is crazy, crazy. I have seen his latest video. He was talking about his gut. इनको कुछ खाने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, and he was having a lot of pain in his gut while he was posing and crunching his abs. So
You saw the way he picked the, what's his name, Ajit, the guy who won.
yeah, that was crazy.
He picked him. You
That's
see, that's
somewhere,
वो spirit है, वो spirit
I
है.
think ये video है यहाँ पे
गेम की
इसका.
spirit वो है. जीतने
Yeah,
के मतलब, I mean, after getting, I think he got the third place, right?
yeah.
सिद्धांत की थर्ड प्लेस आई थी, आई थिंक सो. तो उसके बावजूद भी the smile he has on his face
Yeah,
and the spirit
yeah,
of the game.
yes.
So that
It's
was
crazy.
really amazing.
Look at his smile. Look at,
And he
like,
has
gone.
supporting
ये
athletes.
देखो
Yeah.
राजा.
ये देखिए, ये देखिए, ये देखिए. इसके बाद
Yeah. So ये मुझे I loved his, I always love his sportsmanship, and the way he treats his fellow
जी जी
athletes
जी.
and stuff like that. बहुत बढ़ावा देते हैं. And for some reason I feel like there was countless opportunities for him, and will countlessly keep coming. And he was talking about the lockdown, how it affected him. And Siddhant is just, he has this was one of his back updates, back shots. I mean, definitely needs more.
देखो इनके इनके legs देखिए, इनके
Yeah,
legs देखिए. Is way up than the men's physique.
men's physique.
Amazing
It's
conditioning,
crazy.
amazing conditioning. Size है, सब है.
Amazing. Look at his glutes.
But
He has shredded glutes, man. Yeah,
glutes, it's too good. It's too
it's
good.
too good, man.
So I feel इनके जो coach है, I think so. He's a bodybuilding coach,
Yeah,
as far as I remember.
yeah.
What's his उनका नाम क्या है? Matt something नाम है
Matt
उनका.
Jansen. He is the co-owner of Revive MD supplement company, and basically that is in co-ownership with Chris Bumstead. So Chris Bumstead recently joined
अच्छा
किया
अच्छा.
उनके साथ. But yeah, he is predominantly an open bodybuilding coach. Dallas McCarver and Nick Walker, जो कि अभी scene पे आ रहे हैं. So he definitely likes one thing. He definitely likes to every athlete, they will come shredded, no doubt, and full. बट मेंस फिजिक में वो जो फुलनेस का जो मेथड है, फुलनेस लाने का, that is very very much more difficult than what you can do with open bodybuilding, जो मैंने देखा है, सुना है, पढ़ा है. So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
उसके ज़्यादा टेक्निकल
Hopefully
नॉलेज
he's
भैया
he's
के
very
पास होगा.
he's very very near to getting the pro.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है 2022
Yeah.
should be his time to get the pro.
I mean,
तो
this
बस
guy,
amazing. Look at the back.
yeah, man, crazy. So yeah, that's Siddhant Jaiswal. So, bro, all our support for you, and hopefully you can get it next time. We're rooting for